mga ka-Evercadas, today andito tayo sa Ever Commonwealth Mall wherein may happy weekend sale sila. So we have a challenge today wherein makakabili tayo ng products under 1,000 pesos. Tara na, mag-shop with us! Tamang-tama Father's Day ngayon, so maghahanap na lang ako ng gift na maong OOTD for our dinner later. Tara at maghanap tayo! Ito yung first one na bibilin natin kasi this is only worth 500 pesos. Ayan. This looks good. Pero tignan natin yung price. Guys, from 700